Hello everybody. I've been learning Python for quite a while, and recently I made a new prime number checker, and I want you all to take a look at it. So here it is. So this is the code that I made. So what you have to do is just to run this program and enter your number, and it will just tell you if the number is a prime number or not. So let me explain this code to you line by line. The first line is num equals to integer input enter a number. So what this means is it will take the integer of what you enter. So input is what it shows on the screen. So you can enter number and you just write your number behind this line, enter number, and it will be the input. So num will be the number you wrote in. Now, if integer number is greater than 1, it will carry out the stuff in here. Or else, if it is smaller than 1, it will carry out this thing. So if it's 1, 0, -1, it will just carry out this thing. Because as we all know, numbers smaller than 1 cannot be prime numbers. So if it is greater than 1, it will have to find out whether or not it is a prime number. So for I in range 2 num, so what this means is that I is any number between 2 and num, and they will just find the modular num mod I, and this percentage sign here means modular, and if num mod I is equal to 0, then we all know that prime numbers cannot have mod something 0, so it is not a prime number. So we'll just print num is not a prime number, and we have to string the num. If not, the program will not work, and it will just keep on continuing, and it will break once it finds that it is not divisible by a certain number I. Or else, if it comes out of this loop, if it exceeds num, then it will print this. Because it is not divisible by anything from 2 to itself, it must be a prime number because it is not divisible by anything. So this is basically how this code works. So let's try and run it. Alright, since we are doing Python and we want to look for a number to check if whether it's a prime number, I'm going to use this Python code. And I'm going to take the opportunity to explain to you this code. So we can just import the random module, and we can just print this random integer from 0 to 999. So let's see what number we get. 412. No, that's not good. We know that's not a prime number for sure. So let's try another number. Alright, 149. Let's see if it's a prime number. Let me just close this code and let's take a look at the prime number checker once again. So we are gonna have to enter our number. Let's enter our number now. So we have to enter 149. Enter number 149. 149 is a prime number. So let's check if this thing is not lying and that the code is correct and that it works. So let's Google if 149 is a prime number. Alright, here's Google, and I'm gonna search if 149 is a prime number. Yes, 149 is a prime number. So we can see that over here, our Python code is actually working. So yeah, you can copy my code. I will provide it in the description below. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I put in a lot of hard work for this code. So yes, please subscribe and like this video. Comment if you have anything to say. Thank you.